Very good. How about some animal sounds? Can you do a dog? Can you do a dog?
I'm doing a video.
Okay, good dog. How about a great big rooster? Can you crow like a rooster? There you go. I bet a lot of these folks have a cat at home. Cat. Oh my goodness. He's just too smart. We got to give him something tougher. How about Bugs Bunny? Oh my goodness. If I want to take a look at all these folks out there, what do you think? Yeah, nice looking. And I don't say this to all my birds, Poco, but I love you.
I don't blame you.
What?
I don't blame you.
I don't blame you? How rude. How about whistling us a tune? How about I Left My Heart in San Francisco? That would be the Here's one you've all heard. This old man, he played knick-knack on my thumb. With a... Let's see if he can sing How Much Is That Doggy in the Window. How much is that doggy? Oh, very good. Now a tougher one. I left my heart in San Francisco. That's it. Did you notice he said, I left my heart in Francisco? He has a hard time saying S's. It's San Francisco. Let me help you. San. Okay. Poco, are you a pretty bird? I think are you a pretty bird? Pretty bird? Louder? You are a pretty bird. I always get a kick out of the way he responds to this one. Poco, here we go. You ready? What you doing? Poco has a favorite color. What do you think it is? Did you hear that, Poco? Everyone said green.
My favorite color.
That's his favorite color. Hey, we all need to make green our favorite color. I'll tell you why. You see, nowadays it's in to be green, because if you're being green, it means you're taking care of our world. That's important. But let's see if it's really his favorite color. What do you think of red? How about orange, yellow, white, blue, purple, green?
My favorite color.
Definitely green. Let's all make green our favorite color. Reduce, reuse, recycle, and be green. Okay. Poco, that was wonderful. Can you tell everyone goodbye?
Fine.
That is our yellow Amazon Poco.